Lecture 8742, Diagnosed with Lung Cancer and Frightened for 2 years. I am 38 and have a 7-year-old daughter. I was diagnosed with lung cancer and have been so scared that I'm really having difficulties. As I listen to your lectures, I have shed many tears. Please teach me how I should behave from now on. Shedding tears means that the dark and murky energies are washing away and are becoming purified. You may then feel deep gratitude for realizing things you were not aware of. Through nature's teachings, you begin to awaken about life. Those things resonate deep in your soul as cleansing occurs in the form of tears. In fact, from the moment we were born, we came to the earth with all the necessary forces that each of us could use. However, our lives become difficult and painful because we haven't found the right path. Why? Because thus far, there have been no authentic teachings. Nature is like our parents. Nature loves and cherishes its children and always embraces us to support and promote our proper growth. However, when a child goes astray, nature has no choice but to send out numerous warning messages to guide us. Nature helps you find the right path, even if it hurts. After 17 years of training, I came down from the mountain and met many people. They were all trying to live rightly, but they didn't know what right was. There was no one who pointed them in the right direction. I'm here to teach you that right now. Nature trained me by scolding me immensely because I too was going in the wrong direction, as you did. What you're going through right now is not a punishment from nature. You went the wrong way. That's why your life is difficult. This is the way nature cares for you and teaches you, so you can find the right path. Now you are studying Jungbub and part of the Jungbub family. You are not alone. We are all Hongikingans who came to this earth to benefit humanity. Let's brighten this world and live wonderfully together.